All right, guys, we're back. We're at the outside here of Ogden High School, and
Maybe I can learn something this time and put stuff in.
I know you can't hear him, but he's going to talk anyway.
I
So
did a lot of ditching back in the day. Maybe I'll stay all day now.
get over here. They've expelled you.
I didn't learn nothing in high school other than how to slough school. I had to make up for it when I went to college and to start over.
Look how gorgeous. Simply amazing, stunning. The
Look at
architecture.
the architecture up there.
I know.
This is crazy. That movie had all those kids all over the roofs.
Incredible. Okay.
Because it's spectacular. I was so mad when they were thinking about bulldozing this building.
Just a different angle. Man, with that sun on it.
This
Probably came at the perfect time.
It doesn't get much better than that.
Dance studio over here.
Okay, so guys, this is the dance studio.
See how it has the lighting for the night. What's in there? A dance studio?
Uh-huh.
There might be practicing. I don't see the lights on, so there's probably no one in there.
What tunnel?
The one on the renovation video showed a little bit of a tunnel for all the old utilities.
No, I haven't. That would be awesome.
And then I guess it was
Without the kids. So that's the view that this school has, guys. And the fields
Mount
of
Ogden.
Mount Ogden. And what's down here?
So that's actually a shop now, but it originally was like the entrance to the shelter.
Oh, okay.
Music wing.
Oh, that's a good plaque right there.
Okay, there's a little bit of shadow, guys, but I'm sure you'll be able to see. God, I love the architecture.
During spring, one of my favorite areas is where these benches are.
Why is that?
It's just beautiful. The
Is
leaves
it?
come down.
The
And
sun will be out there
Oh, yeah.
in the morning.
yeah.
Wow, look at that view. Do you want to go this way?
Sure.
Yeah,
Here's
so
another
the tunnel that you guys had on the renovation video or whatever
Yeah.
comes to this. So you would be under here,
Oh.
under the classroom over there.
Wow.
Does anybody ever go down in there?
Sometimes we do. When we did our ghost tours, just a couple in October, we went in there for the ghost tours
I was going to say, so you have any weird stuff?
all the time.
All the time.
Yes.
Can you tell us a story?
I can tell you a few of my stories.
Yeah?
My least favorite floor in this building, only because of my
Okay, I'm going to film you
experiences.
because people love this, Sid.
Okay. So the second floor, I have a tendency to not go up there after night because of the things that have happened. So one night, I had just started as a custodian, and I had don't branch out of the auditorium before that. So I was on the second floor checking everyone's areas, and all the lights are off. And I'm walking through up the main stairs that you saw, the big beautiful window showing all of
Yes.
Ogden.
Yeah.
Well, I was walking up those stairs, and I turned past the library, and the motion lights didn't turn on. And then all of a sudden they did, so I stopped and I could hear something. I was like, what is that? Is there someone in the building? So I'm listening and I can hear running. So I hear running come all the way down the hallway and behind me, and they stop right behind me. And I can feel them behind me. Yeah. And then I'm like, I know you're there. And I turn around slowly and there's no one there. But then I hear running from the stairs all the way back down the hallway. And none of the motion lights turned on. So, and then I had my boss check the cameras. He was like, yeah, there was nothing there except for you.
Oh my God. That's crazy.
And then there was another night when I was second floor again. I was locking up the library and checking all the doors, and they were all locked. I turn around to walk down the hallway, and all of the doors, I can hear them open behind me.
Oh.
And I turn around, and they're all open, and then they all shut.
Oh.
And I was brave, and I went up, and I was like, I locked these, and I checked them, and they were all locked.
Man.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
man.
there's 4 doors.
I wouldn't go up there.
He can't even deal with the stories
Oh,
sometimes.
man, I'm scared
I'm
for
glad I
this.
told you already.
I would
Right?
have gone up there during the day.
He has a hard time with that.
Literally, I think the recentest one was
Yeah.
a couple weeks ago. Me and my friend, it was pitch dark, all the lights off in the building because we were doing the ghost tours, and it was after everybody left. And we're doing the library, and I'm locking it, and he's facing the library doors, and I'm facing the library doors, and I'm locking it, and I check it, and I turn my flashlight around, and I see a girl standing in the middle of the room, and then all of a sudden she runs at us, and I duck for cover because I'm like, no, someone's coming at me. He didn't see anything because he was looking at the door, and I like grab him. We ran downstairs, and I'm like, no,
Oh no.
no more.
Okay, well,
Oh.
there you guys. You got 3 good ones she just gave you.
There's a lot of ghost stories. A lot of staff and teachers have stories here. So,
Oh wow.
yeah.
Weird.
Do.
All right, we're gonna go over here to this newer part, which is a gymnasium, correct?
Yes.
That's
Oh.
a pool there, isn't it?
Yes,
Like Ben Lomond's.
Oh, they have a pool. I didn't know that. All right, cool.
So this is the new gym.
Yeah, this is the new gym. This is the courtyard.
And there's the outside of that commons area.
Yep. So this is the back of the auditorium.
Oh, okay. Back of the auditorium. Gotcha.
Man, it's tall.
Yeah, it is. I mean, it's.
Look at how tall it is.
I
Look
know.
at the bricks. Talking million though.
Yeah, amazing.
I bet it took them 4 or 5 years to lay out them bricks.
Wow, look how big that gym is. Holy moly, look at the size.
That's the weight room.
That's just the weight room. He lifts, we both do, but he lifts more than me. Can you see that, guys? The windows are kind of dirty, but dang. They even have those big tires, John. Look at that. Oh, you can see pretty good. Wow. That's
Look at
awesome.
the racks they've got.
Oh yeah, those are.
You know, we got a rack with a couple, 3 benches, elliptical, tread.
Oh
awesome.
wow, look at
and
that.
dumbbells. We got 18 cents dumbbells.
That courtyard. Wow.
Oh, that's a good view.
That's a-
School right there.
Jeez,
That looks
wow.
cool. I have never seen that look at it.
That's incredible.
Look at the fire ladders all over the roof.
Oh, I didn't even notice those.
That's a cool view right there. Man. These kids have no idea how lucky they are going to something.
Yeah.
They will someday.
Yeah, when they're gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, when they're gone.
They'll appreciate it one day.
So let's see. I think this said gymnasium somewhere, didn't it? Yeah, right here. It is big.
It is.
Did you want a picture of it?
Well, I'm filming it.
Okay. You want to look at the inside of it or no?
I don't know. Can we?
Can, yes, there might, kids are probably
Oh.
in
Working
there,
out.
so you
That's,
could-
yeah.
Let's stick to the outside of the
Okay.
building.
So you could go in there, but like inside the gyms are probably people.
That's what, yeah.
This video's on the outside. Cool.
And we can't film in there because those are kids.
Yeah.
That's the automotive program, huh?
Yeah, this one's the machine shop. The other, up top is the automotive. They're in the same building.
Look at that Art Deco sign, Ogden High. That's freaking awesome. I love that. Look at that. Ogden High, right
Oh,
there.
there's the common side.
Yep.
That's really sweet. That's a good view.
That really
Swoop
is.
back this way too. That's cool looking.
I just want to go slow enough.
Look at that little perch. You can lean out up there and look, see the railing.
Let's do it.
It's probably where the hatch is for the roof.
Oh,
I
yeah.
do maintenance for a living, so I know about
Yeah.
that kind of thing.
Well, I think that's almost it. We'll do the side down here, huh, by the parking.
I just can't get over how many bricks there
So that window there, Sin was just telling us that is not an add-on. That is original.
Yeah, that was where. I don't know what they used to use it for, but yeah. So that classroom has a little, like,
Bay window.
are. Maybe a grow room for
maybe. Yeah.
biology or something on that or a science class.
Our science.
A week.
Yeah.
Just search for Ogden High School and look for a video with her face on it. Just look
Okay.
at it. It'll come up. She's got over 2,000 subscribers, which ain't bad for a good
That's
hobby.
really good. Yeah, that's really good.
I just couldn't believe that no one had an updated version of this because it's so beautiful.
But we didn't even do this when we used to travel. We used to travel a lot. Isn't it?
Yeah.
But we took a lot of still pictures.
And that's driver's ed down there.
I laughed. I was like, nope.
I'm the guy that screams in the haunted houses at Lagoon.
Oh my
Yes.
gosh. So funny. I was filming,
I like to think I'm pretty brave, actually.
okay guys, this is the end of the outside tour. I hope you guys loved it as much as we did, because we did. Another big thank you to our tour guide, Stan. Thanks for watching.